Good day, everyone. I'm Christian Pagailan, and I'm gonna be reporting closed impeller types. Overview of closed impellers. Key characteristics includes efficiency, reduced leakage, and the ability to handle high pressure applications due to their enclosed design. Applications in industry. Widely used in industries such as water treatment, chemical processing, and oil and gas for their reliability and performance in demanding environments. Definition of closed impellers. Closed impellers are types of centrifugal pump impeller where the vanes are enclosed by shrouded on both sides, providing structural integrity and efficiency. Single stage closed impeller. Basic design. Single stage closed impellers consist of a single set of vanes enclosed by two shrouds designed for straightforward and efficiency fluid movement. Operational mechanism operates by converting rotational energy from the motor into kinetic energy, propelling the fluid through the pump with minimal energy loss. Application and use cases. Industrial applications. Commonly used in applications requiring moderate pressure and flow such as HVAC system, water supply, and light industrial processes. Specific use cases. Specific use cases includes residential water pumps, small-scale irrigation system, and low-pressure chemical transfer applications. Multi-stage close impellers. Basics design. Multi-stage close impellers feature multiple sets of pines arranged in series, allowing for higher pressure generation by significantly increased fluid energy. Operational mechanism. Each stage increases the fluid pressure, with the stage delivering the desired high pressure output suitable for demanding application. Application and use cases. Industrial application. Ideal for high pressure application such as boiler feed system, reverse osmosis, and industrial water treatment processes. Specific use cases. Specific use cases includes high pressure cleaning system, deep well pumping, and large scale industrial fluid transfer system. Advantage of closed impellers. Durability. The enclosed design provides enhanced durability, reducing wear and tear and extending the operational lifespan of the impeller. For efficiency, closed impeller offers superior hydraulic efficiency due to minimal fluid recirculation and leakage, making them ideal for high performance application. For maintenance requirements are lower compared to open impellers, as the enclosed design minimizes exposure to contaminants and reduce the risk of damage. Cost effectiveness. Despite higher initial costs, closed impellers are cost effective in the long run due to their efficiency, durability, and reduced maintenance need. Performance comparison. For efficiency, single-stage impeller are generally more efficient for low to moderate pressure applications, while multi-stage impellers excels in high pressure scenarios. Means for maintenance requirements, a single stage impeller require less maintenance due to their simpler design, whereas multi-stage impellers need more frequent inspection and upkeep. For power consumption, multi-stage impellers consume more power due to the increased number of stages, but they provide higher pressure output compared to single-stage impeller. And that's all. Thank you.